Welcome back to LGS Cars. In the world of SUVs, where design meets determination and technology merges with toughness, GMC returns to the spotlight with the all-new 2026 GMC Terrain. This isn't just another compact SUV. It's a bold reinvention of one of GMC's most beloved nameplates, sharper, smarter, and stronger than ever before. From the moment it rolls into view, the 2026 Terrain radiates American confidence. Its front fascia now carries a wider and bolder grille with GMC's signature C-shaped LED lighting. More futuristic, more aggressive, and unmistakably premium. The sculpted body lines, raised stance, and aerodynamic precision all come together to create a crossover that commands both attention and respect. Exterior, rugged meets refined. The 2026 GMC Terrain takes everything that drivers loved about its predecessor and elevates it with a new sense of purpose. A completely redesigned front end, sleek LED matrix headlights, and muscular fenders give the SUV a presence worthy of any urban street or off-road trail. The alloy wheel options range up to 20 inches, while the rear design now features a floating roofline and sleek wraparound taillights, a modern interpretation of GMC's robust DNA. Performance, power with precision. Under the hood, the new Terrain offers a next-generation turbocharged 2.0-liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, engineered for both fuel efficiency and power delivery. For those seeking electrification, GMC is rumored to be developing a hybrid variant, giving drivers a taste of power without compromise. The optional all-wheel drive system and enhanced traction management make the Terrain a reliable companion for every journey, from city commutes to weekend adventures. Interior, intelligent luxury step inside, and you're greeted with a completely redesigned cabin that blends technology, comfort, and craftsmanship. The 2026 Terrain offers a panoramic curved digital display, combining a 12.3-inch digital cluster with a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, integrated with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seats wrapped in premium leather complete the luxury experience. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom, improved visibility, and enhanced sound insulation, transforming every trip into a quiet escape from the outside world. Technology and safety. GMC's latest Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system makes its debut on the Terrain, allowing hands-free driving on thousands of mapped highways. The SUV also packs GMC Pro Safety Plus, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree HD camera system. Connectivity is elevated with over-the-air updates, voice AI controls, and cloud-based navigation that learns your driving habits to predict your next destination. The future of compact SUVs. The 2026 GMC Terrain proves that compact doesn't mean compromise. It combines luxury, technology, and rugged performance in a way that few competitors can match. Whether it's cruising downtown or tackling rough terrain, this SUV is built to lead the next chapter of GMC's evolution. Expected launch and pricing. The all-new GMC Terrain 2026 is expected to hit showrooms in late 2025, with an estimated starting price around $32,000, climbing up to $45,000 for the top Denali trim. The verdict: with its striking design, advanced technology, and unshakable performance, the 2026 GMC Terrain doesn't just compete, it redefines what a modern compact SUV should be. GMC has created a machine that's more than transportation. It's a statement of modern American strength and intelligence.